Hi everyone. Imagine every neuron in your brain as a charged battery. That stored charge is called the membrane potential. Membrane potential is simply the difference in electrical charge voltage across the plasma membrane due to unequal ion distribution. So, when a neuron is just chilling and not sending any impulse, we call this as the resting membrane potential or RMP. This. The inside cell is more negative than the outside cell. So the cell is polarized at negative 70 MV. Next, look at the factor contributing to resting potential. First, unequal ion distribution. The outside has more Na, while the inside has the outside more Na plus ion, the inside has more K plus ion. This contributes to membrane potential. The membrane is naturally more permeable to K plus ion because there are many more passive K plus leakage channels than sodium ion channels. More K plus diffuses out than Na plus comes in. Inside becomes more negative.
So next, the second factors that contributing to resting potential is inability of large anions to leave the cell. So, most anions, which is protein, inside the cell are not free to leave. They are being jailed. So, the plasma membrane is impermeable to negatively charged Cl-. So, this contributes slightly to the negative charge. Thirdly, sodium-potassium pump. So, during resting potential, there will be 3 Na plus that will be pumped out of the cell and 2 K plus that will be pumped into the cell. It will against their concentration gradient. Therefore, there will be more positive ions that are pumped out than pumped in. Lastly, all voltage-gated ion channels close. Voltage-gated ion channel is a transmembrane protein channel that opens or closes in response to a particular stimulus. So in resting potential, the voltage-gated ion are close. Yeah, so that is all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.